Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, you will be asked to log in using your email address and password. After logging in, if you wish to change your email address that you are currently using, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. Now within the settings page, you will see the Manage Account button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now end up within the account management page. Now if you wish to change your email address, just tap on the Change Email button and you will first be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. After typing in your password, go ahead and tap on the Verify button and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new email. Type in your desired new email address and then enter it once again for confirmation, and now you can tap on the Send Email button. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to check your inbox to find your verification code. So just check your inbox and you will find your code right away. Just enter this code within the given verification box and then tap on the Verify button once again. And now your email address has successfully been changed. You can use your new email address within the login screen once again. And now this will log you in to your EveryDollar account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the EveryDollar app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.